In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Acuity scheduling in Squarespace. If you're ready to streamline your booking process and bring more efficiency to your website, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make sure your scheduling needs are met with ease on Squarespace. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to your preferred browser and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your control center, the place where you can manage everything related to your website. Now look for the website you want to link to Acuity scheduling. When you've spotted it, go ahead and select it to move on to the next step. Now let's turn our attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find various options that help you customize and manage your site. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Scheduling. Click on that and this will direct you to the Acuity scheduling page. Acuity scheduling is a powerful tool that brings a lot of flexibility and professionalism to managing appointments directly through your website. Once you're in Acuity scheduling, you'll be presented with a few options. You'll see Create Appointment Types, Set Your Availability, and Custom Design. Each of these options allows you to personalize how appointments are handled on your site. Whether you want to create specific types of appointments, determine when you're available for these bookings, or design the booking page layout to match your brand, you have the flexibility to do so. For instance, Create Appointment Types allows you to specify what kind of services or consultations you're offering, complete with descriptions and appointment duration. Meanwhile, Set Your Availability lets you determine when clients can book time with you. It's very straightforward. You just need to decide what suits your schedule best. Lastly, if you want to refine the aesthetics, you can even tailor the appearance of your scheduling interface using custom design. You can match it to your website's theme to ensure a seamless transition for your visitors. And there you have it. By selecting the options that best fit your needs, you're all set to efficiently manage appointments directly from your Squarespace site. I hope this walkthrough has been both informative and helpful. Thanks for joining me here today, and don't forget, your feedback means a lot. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this guide useful. And to stay updated with all our latest content, make sure to hit that notification bell. Have a great day and happy scheduling on Squarespace.